Hello all, welcome to Global Online University. As you all know, the UGC NTA NET paper is going on. We are bringing for you time and again exam analysis, and in this video we are going to discuss the 1st October evening shift paper. So these questions that I've got is from one of the students who appeared in the examination yesterday, and let's see what questions she has shared. I hope these help you to see the pattern that NTA is asking. Some questions might get repeated, so you should know all the types of questions that are expected in an examination. So without wasting any time, let's get started. She said that the overall difficulty level was between moderate and tough. It wasn't easy. And please don't get scared when I say that the exam wasn't easy, because if you still have time for the students who have a week or 10-15 days or a month for their examination, they can still work and you know make their exam get better scores. So don't get frightened, just work hard. ICT questions were easy from what I can see here. One question was, what is the full form of URL? You know that it stands for Uniform Resource Locator. We have discussed this many times, because what a URL does, it is the address of a web page or a web browser on the internet. Like you and me, we have our own addresses. Anything on the web, it has its address. To go to that page, we need that location. So URL is that. One question was devices which doesn't need internet connectivity. So you were given some options and you had to mark a simple question. You had to arrange this memory according to its memory units. You know the highest is terabyte. Then we have gigabyte, megabyte and kilobyte. So this was the arrangement, quite simple. One question was from RAM. One question was matching question. Okay, match the following question. What you had? Output device, web browser, software, input device. So Chrome is our web browser. Mouse is our input device. Monitor is our output device, and MS Word is the software. So pretty simple. She said that DI was very tough. See, I haven't written. These are the direct words that she has given me and I've copied here. Also, she said that DI was percentage based but was quite tough. One question was from match the following from people and environment. Was what was there? Kyoto Protocol, Paris Agreement, Solar Alliance, Rio Summit. You know, Solar Alliance is between India and France. India started it. So there was this matching question that was asked. These protocols are very important time and again. It is being asked in by NTA. Almost in all the examination, one or the other is being asked, and your SDG and MDG are being asked. So do remember the dates. They might ask you to arrange it in chronological order or match the year or any information. So these are important. One was carbon emission. They have already asked this carbon emission, and they are even asking backdated information about carbon emission. So do take care of that, study that as well. So this calendar question. Okay, one new thing that NTA has done, it has asked two questions from calendar. This is quite surprising, and I'm really happy to tell that those who have been following my videos, I have taken a class on calendar. I have discussed questions on that as well. So a benefit for those who have seen my lecture or attended those live sessions, I've done calendar questions, and those questions were they said that it was not very tough. If you know the trick, you'll get it. So I don't have the other question, but I have one question that I can share. The question was on 1st January 2007 was Tuesday. Then what will be the 1st January 2008? This is a simple question. I have taught you that odd days information, odd days rule. What happens in a normal year? The only one odd day comes. अगर आप 2007 से 2008 में जाएंगे तो आपको 1 ऑड डे आएगा, बट आपको यहाँ पे ख्याल रखना है किस बात का, लीप ईयर, 2008 इज अ लीप ईयर. In a leap year, 2 odd days come. But there is also an exception. We are talking about 1st January. And when is the leap year? It is 29 February. So जब ये डेट एक्स्ट्रा डे आ ही नहीं रहा है हमारे कैलकुलेशन में, so we are not going to take the 2 days concept, we will take the 1 day concept. So अगर आपका 1st January 2007 को ट्यूसडे था, ट्यूसडे के बाद आता है Wednesday. So the correct answer is 1st January 2008 is a Wednesday. Those who have marked Wednesday as the answer, it will be correct. Also, there was a question on fraction. She said that it was simple. One question was asked something like A's father has these many sons and you had to find the 5th one. One question was asked, the salary of a person was reduced by 10%. By what percent should his salary be raised so as to bring it par with his original salary? So this question is also, let's see how you can do this. Let's assume that the salary of the person is 100 rupees, okay? And it gets reduced by 10%. अब 10% इसमें reduction हुआ है, so आपकी salary वो हो गई 90 rupees. ओके, अगर आप इसमें कितना परसेंट इंक्रीमेंट करोगे कि आपकी सैलरी हो जाएगी वापस से 100 कैसे होगी? जस्ट इमेजिन, अगर आप 90 का 10% लो, 10% ऑफ 90 आपका कितना आएगा? आपकी सैलरी हो जाएगी 99. ओके, बट आपको क्या करना है? आपको ओरिजिनल बनाना है. सो अगर आप 11% करो, 11% ऑफ 90, you will get 100. So the correct answer here is 11%. Those who have marked this as their answer is correct. One was letter series question. This was also simple. I think यहाँ आपको n find करना था because I'm not very sure of this. But let's see it. The series का solution कुछ इस तरीके से था कि यहाँ पे जो सारे letters हैं, they denote the spelling of the numerals like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, T missing था. So the last letter is T. ऐसे आपको find करना था. There was one question on 215 makes which degree of angle? Okay, इस क्वेश्चन में क्या ट्रिकी बात ये है कि मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स, आपको मैं बना के बताती हूँ इधर. ओके, तो 360 डिग्री, ये पूरा एक सर्कल होता है 360 डिग्री. जब आपकी हैंड नीडल 1 आवर कवर करती है तो कितने डिग्रीज होते हैं? ये 12 में अगर आप इसको डिवाइड करके देखें तो ये होगा आपका 30 डिग्रीज. दैट मीन्स योर hand needle covers 30 degrees in 1 hour. Okay, so for now they are asking for when it is at 215, what is the angle, how much degrees it is making. So आपको पता है आपकी जो हैंड नीडल है 2 से 215 में जाने पे it will shift. Okay, definitely अगर जैसे आपकी 2 पे इधर है तो 215 पे इधर होगा. ओके, लिटिल बिट इट इज गोइंग टू शिफ्ट. आई नो दैट मेरी ड्राइंग से इतना समझ में नहीं आ रहा, बट लॉजिकली आप सोच सकते हैं थोड़ी सी स्लाइटली वो शिफ्ट होगी, इसीलिए कुछ एंगल्स का डिफरेंस होगा. तो 30 डिग्रीज है आपका ये पूरा. अगर ये जो 2 की अगर शिफ्ट होने के पहले अगर ये 2 को आप ये हैंड नीडल को ओरिजिनल 2 की जगह रख दें, ये 30 डिग्री बनाएगा. बट क्योंकि टाइम हो रहा है 2:15, 15 हो रहा है, सो ये स्लाइटली शिफ्ट होगा, यानी आपका आंसर 30 डिग्री से कम ही होना चाहिए. व्हाट इट विल बी, लेट्स सी कितना शिफ्ट हो रहा है ये 2 से 2:15 के बीच में कितने डिग्रीज का शिफ्ट हो रहा है. सो 60 मिनट्स में आपकी हैंड नीडल 30 डिग्रीज कवर करती है. 15 मिनट्स में कितने डिग्री कवर करेगी. यूनिटरी मेथड, सिंपल यूनिटरी मेथड, लेट्स सॉल्व. 30 into 15 upon 60. Okay, 330 and 62, 7.5. So when your hand needle goes from 2 to 215, what is the shift? 7.5 degree. और टोटल आपका 30 डिग्री था, तो 30 minus 7.5 is 22.5. So those who have marked this as their answer will be correct. One question was asked, okay, second shift, that in ancient India, in order to take education in Takshashila, from which age? Okay, what was the minimum age from which Takshashila gave admission to students? The correct answer is 16. Those who have marked 16 there as their answer is correct. One question was asked on International Solar Alliance. Okay, and Kothari Commission से एक question आया था. Kothari Commission very important. Okay, all these are time and again they are asking this question from Kothari Commission. Very important. From research aptitude, one question was from T-test, and from communication, there was like emergency in media. So this was something that she said, that emergency in media, something like that question was asked. From logical, assertion and reason was asked, statement and reason questions were asked. From teaching aptitude, फॉर्मेटिव एंड समेटिव असेसमेंट से क्वेश्चन में आया था. समेटिव असेसमेंट मतलब जो आपका ईयरली यूजुअली पेपर होता है या क्वार्टरली पेपर होता है, यूजुअली हम जो देते थे इन आवर स्कूल डेज, ऑल दोज कम्स इन समेटिव असेसमेंट. एंड फॉर्मेटिव असेसमेंट मींस कंटिन्यूअस असेसमेंट ड्यूरिंग द कोर्स ऑफ द स्टडी. From communication, there were also questions on communication models. So that's it for this analysis I have brought for you to help you for your examination, for the students whose examinations are going to come. So keep all these things in mind. Questions might get repeated. Okay. Lastly, I would like to tell that we have launched All India Online Test Series, where we have put questions that are being asked. We have brought for you 2000 MCQs in the form of 40 full syllabus tests. You have topic wise preparation. You can even see your preparation, which topics are weak and which topics need are strong. So उसमें सिर्फ आपको practice चाहिए. This test series is a score booster. We also provide hints and solution. You can also download the PDF of this solution. Okay, you can join the test series through our website Global Online University, whose link is present in the description box, or you can join through the join button under this video. The third is the WhatsApp group, highly recommended. WhatsApp group, how you have to join? Just contact this number on the screen, drop a WhatsApp message. After you pay this amount, you will be added to this group and we'll be sharing all the details, all the information regarding the test series on WhatsApp. All the tests, their links to the test, the syllabus, the solutions. You can put up queries. You can even find people for the same paper too. So that's it. We'll meet again with another video for your paper 1 preparation. Till then, study hard. Bye.